What's up, my crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin losing the $30,000 range. Now we can see here on the VPVR that this is the ultimate support from this mountain of volume. If we do lose $28,000, because on the daily we've just had massive wicks in the past touching the $28,000. So if we come all the way to $28,000 and lose it, close the daily candle below, it is very, very likely that our next stop is going to be $24,000. We'll be taking a look at this chart in today's episode. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, on the 50-minute chart. I'm going to tell you why it is very likely that we are going to hit $28,000 in the next coming days. We've broken out from this major structure, this channel, and the impulsive move is taking us all the way down to $28,000. We'll be taking a look at this in today's episode, and also Ethereum hitting the ultimate major support at 1,700. If we lose it, I'm going to show you my next levels that I'm watching in today's episode. And remember, if you are interested in trading, check out PrimeXbt. This is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added to your deposit, guys. So make sure to check this out. I've also got the tutorial in the description. And Phoenix now has got one of the best bonuses available, up to $1,200 if you deposit more than 1 Bitcoin. Said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm doing a live stream today at 3 o'clock Central European time. Before we start, make sure to smash up the like button. You'll be helping me out immensely for this channel. And said this, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I see. If you do so, do your own research. Let's go straight into the chart. All right, before we start going to the 1 hourly, 4 hourly chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's zoom in on this chart. This is the daily chart here for Bitcoin, and here on the right we have the volume profile. It tells you where the most volume has been traded. It is good to find support and resistance ranges. So now we can see that below the $30,000, I have a white trend line around the $28,000 region. Okay, we did see in the past year in January how we barely touched below the $30,000, wicking below and coming back up. Also, when we saw the May sell-off, we barely touched the $30,000. We also went below the $30,000 here, just wicking below this area. Now we are starting to close some daily candles here. We started this daily candle from today pretty strong here, dropping to the downside. So yeah, if we do lose the $28,000, $29,000 region and close a daily candle below, we'll be breaking this whole cluster of volume. We are just at the very, very edge here, as you can see on the price action and the VPVR. So just about to lose this region. And below the $28,000, there is no volume profile. There is no volume traded because the price went straight back up here from 40,000 all the way to $29,000, $30,000 area very, very fast, as you can see on the chart. So we went from 24,000 all the way to 30,000 in just about 4 or 5 days. So it is very, very likely, if we do lose the $28,000 support, that we are going to come back down to $24,000 in a matter of a few days. This is the next cluster of VPVR of support that we have here on the chart. It is not too much, but it will definitely be a stop here where the price is going to go. So if we do close a daily candle below $28,000, it is very, very likely that we are going to have that major leg down to $24,000. We might be shorting this, all depending on how the price action reacts in the next coming days. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4 hourly chart, because we were talking about this descending channel, descending wedge, whatever you want to call it, that it has broken the major support in the end. All right, yesterday we want to see if it was a confirmed breakout, and it was. So it is very, very likely that we are going to come down to the $28,000 region. The width of this channel is the impulsive move from the breakout. So in the next coming days, it is very, very likely that we are just about going to touch 28K. Okay, now let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart, because yesterday, all right, we did see the breakout from this major support level. This was the $31,000, and we did talk in the live stream, okay, taking a look at the 15-minute chart, that I was waiting for a retracement to the 31,000, 31,100. My order was at 31,150, and it almost touched it, okay, here for a short position. We were talking about, you know, this dump over here with this volume, okay, we do want a retracement, and we want a retest at the $31,000 region, 31,100, okay, where the next major support. We just barely touched the $31,020. So if you managed to get into this short position like mentioned on the live stream and exiting here for a great profit, then yeah, absolutely fantastic. Now we're currently broken down with some major volume. What I'm expecting here for the price, if we are lucky enough, we are getting some kind of bullish divergence on the 15. Okay, this is not too reliable. We'll be taking a look afterwards on the live stream at 3 p.m. Central European time, see if we can get into some trade. Okay, so now if we do come all the way back up to this region over here, where we do have this massive candle with massive volume, we also have one over here with massive volume. Eventually at some point we are going to have some type of retracement, all right, so all depending on the price action in the next coming hours, it would be nice if we come all the way back up here and retest this major support range that we created with this candle and this volume. In my opinion, this is going to be a good shorting opportunity. If we do manage to come all the way up here, we'll be taking a look at this on the live stream to see if we can find any trading opportunities such as this one. Okay, remember, for traders, we have the best bonus available of PrimeXbt down below. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added to your deposit. Okay, if you do not know how to trade on PrimeXbt, I got a tutorial down below, guys. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is just barely touching the $1,700 area. If I zoom out here on the daily and zoom in, guys, we know that this is a major support range. Okay, we touched it right over here on the 23rd of May when we had the sell-off, the second sell-off right over here for most of the cryptos. We also touched it right over here on the 22nd of June, also on the 26th of June. So 1,700 has been holding very nicely as support. We are just barely touching now. So if we do lose this level, I am expecting that the 1,600 is going to be very likely to touch, okay, for Ethereum. We do not want to short this just yet because we do not know if we are going to get a bounce from here. But if we do break it nicely with some volume on a quick retracement, we can place a quick short order. Okay, so zooming in, we do know $1,700 is an extreme support, which is going to turn into resistance. So zooming in here on the 1 hourly chart, it would be nice to see a nice breakout here where we're just having a small double bottom here on the 1 hourly chart. So if we do break out, if we wick back up again, it is going to be very interesting for a quick short position. Okay, exiting here as a double bottom scenario. This is also something that we are going to take a look here at 3 o'clock Central European time for the live stream. So make sure to hit that notification bell so you're notified and join the live stream for potential trading opportunities. So this is what I got, just a quick update, guys. The market is looking very bearish. It is very likely that we are going to start going lower to lower levels. We are looking for retracements, pullbacks to the upside to enter short positions right now. Okay, we are not looking for longs, we are looking for shorts. So this is what I got for today's episode, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We got the latest news, technical analysis here. We've got exchange reviews where you can find the best bonuses available. The links are also in the description. So check out the Bitcoinsensus website. It is totally free information. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade, there's a video popping up on the screen. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and I will see you later.